You can order the taillight used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To replace the taillight on your vehicle, you need to open the tailgate. To detach the tailgate assembly from the vehicle body, remove the 2 screws with a ratchet and a T25 Torx socket. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Pull back on the light assembly to snap it out of the retainers at the outside edge. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the tail light assembly. To do this, pull on the tab and then on the connector. You can now remove the light. You can order the taillight used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new taillight. All the bulbs are supplied with it. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Reconnect the electrical connectors to the taillight assembly. The light is held in the body by retainers. Put the light back in. Screw the 2 holding screws back in. Operation complete.